guys, welcome to drawing muck today, the thing that I'm doing in this video. So I'm actually, at the time of recording this, I'm in Alaska. Didn't remember the time zone difference between here and Utah, so I'm just going to assume, since it's currently 1 or 2 a.m. in Utah right now, that Mambo is asleep, so I'm gonna go ahead and just record this. I may get some music for it later. If I do, I'll just do a video with just the music so you guys can hear it. Maybe like a nice zoom over the image. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But so drawing muck today. I drew this guy. I didn't draw this one in the car. I drew Grimer in the car. No, I drew Grimer in the plane. I don't remember. It's been a day. I forgot about time zone differences, and Brittany's been sick, and I'm not entirely positive I'm not catching her thing. But anyway, so one of the big things I've been trying to do with these Pokemon that look so similar between their evolutions, especially in you know, when I'm doing so much to stylize them, when I can't have it just be, oh, Muck's the one that's got the slightly different dyes, and everyone's just kind of learned that exact thing because they've seen the exact same picture of Muck a gazillion times. I can't just do that, so I put a lot of work into having their general body language be a little different. I made Grimer a little more like a more consistent slime, like you would see in like a slime stim video, and then Muck I had more of a liquid boy, little bits flipping around and whatnot, which I had a lot of fun drawing. I had a hard time getting it how I liked it, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I haven't figured out how to get my recording software to sync to my video without rendering twice, and that adds like another hour onto my process here, which I already barely have time to do these videos as is, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm, hopefully there's nothing in the video that I really wanted to point out exactly, because I haven't figured out exactly how to do that yet. I'm also kind of getting used to my new setup here, my poor surface that's been with me for almost 3 years now, that I had been doing all of these daily videos and everything on, was destroyed going through TSA on the way here to Alaska. So it still turns on. Theoretically, I could replace the screen, but Microsoft really doesn't want you to do that, so they make it ludicrously difficult to get a replacement screen, and also just to take it apart and put it back together. And like, I get that it's also for the sake of like the stability of the unit, you know, if you've got your screen just held together by screws and stuff, and if the screws fall loose, then everything falls loose, so it's better to just have it be like one complete piece and whatnot. But like, I don't know, I may honestly, if I'm getting so I'm using Brittany's tablet right now. So I have a tablet, I'm able to draw on it, I'm able to work on it, but the pen sensitivity is worse, and the render time is just atrocious, even though it's a newer unit than mine was. I don't know, my old guy was just very, very good at what he did, and I know I assigned arbitrary emotional value to inanimate objects far more than I should, but I may have cried. I may have ugly cried. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. I ugly cried from my poor Surface. So, I don't know, since Microsoft is making it so hard to fix their stuff, I may get an iPad. Who knows? That's basically it for the drawing. If you have a good travel computer you recommend, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching me draw muck, and have a good day, everyone. Or evening, or whatever. Bye.